I hope you're enjoying your new display. I'm Nate with Crystanite Lighting, and I'm here to walk you through the app tutorial. Now, if you're fortunate enough to get this done in the summertime, go ahead and take a seat in your yard chair, or it's the winter time for you. Go get warm in the car. So when you log into the app, click the plus in the top corner. We're going to click right there, make it Bluetooth, and we're first to connect it with Bluetooth. Once this connects up, we're going to be able to go inside the settings and sync this up to our Wi-Fi. Your installer should have done this already, but settings, and then we're going to head over to configure network mode, confirm, back out here to the main screen where we're going to click the plus, and you'll see there's our Wi-Fi connection there. Once your device is connected to the network, your password is 6 zeros, and you'll see there it is connected. So we can control this with your Wi-Fi right there online, or we can control it with Bluetooth. If your Wi-Fi signal is a little bit weak, sometimes I recommend a Wi-Fi extender for better control. We're going to control Bluetooth here. You can see warm white is on, pure white, and any single colors are going to be controlled from this main screen. There's also going to be a brightness bar up here, and you'll notice when the brightness bar is all the way down, it is off, and when the brightness bar is all the way up here, full brightness. Down here at the bottom is your custom palette. If you want to add a custom color there, you can drag in the scroll bar and find a color you like. Click the star right there and it'll save your favorites down here. And this is going to be a taskbar for future control. If we click pattern here, you'll see the full pattern tab. We're going to start off in the architectural W pattern, where you'll find every other light, 2 on, 2 off. Once you find a pattern you like, what you can do is click the star there, put in your favorites. We'll start off in Christmas here. You'll notice the Christmas 1 effect is playing right now. And what you see is it's red, yellow, green. If we want to edit that out, we just click the bulbs there. We can select the yellow one and then click delete there. And what we can do is make sure that this red is red 255 here. So by doing that, we go in the taskbar, find red 255, click the green bulb there, and you'll notice green 255 by clicking this taskbar down here, the color in the taskbar down there. We're going to click save and name this Xmas. And now we have this updated to just red and green. If you want to add a pattern to this, you click this button right here. And this is the effect panel where you can find a whole bunch of effects. If you wanted to do some sort of twinkling pattern, you can search for a twinkle pattern. And you can change the speed. You can use this drag bar to control the speed and the density at which the bulbs will twinkle. Inside of the effects panel, there's a whole lot of other effects you can test around and play with. But I recommend static here. We'll click static, then confirm, and save that static effect. Now, if your system was designed with multiple zones, if you click create zone there, you'll notice everything there turns red. Where this default is, if we click this little arrow right here, we can go into our color palette and select Xmas, confirm. We can also do things like change the pattern and make this one a chasing pattern on the top and static on the bottom. Or we can leave it as static. Now backing out of Christmas, we'll go to another category. Let's go to Easter here. Notice a nice soft pastel look here on the Easter look. And if you notice here it says mode static, that means still, and this one says mode blends. So when we click this one, you'll notice it's going to have an effect on there. This one right here is Marquette. You'll see there's a Marquette pattern. But let's check out Halloween here. Let's say we want to try Halloween 1. We're going to click there. And we want to change up the bulbs. What we're going to do is click this plus button or click the lights. And we're going to change the colors to the ones we want. So let's make this a different purple here. Make sure orange is the one on our taskbar and the pure white is the one on our taskbar. The black means off, so we're going to save this here as Halloween. And you'll notice effect updates there. Let's say we like this one, we can go ahead and put it in our favorites, and it's easily accessible. Now let's go on to Independence Day here. We'll go ahead and try this one I have pre-made. The one pre-made here is 4 bulb pattern. What this means is we got 4 red, 4 white, 4 blue. So this 4 bulb pattern was created by doing 4 red, 4 white, and 4 blue. If we want to add an effect to that, we click here. Next, we can check out the NFL tab. And there's a whole bunch of premium effects, but you find your team, go ahead and click in there. And you'll notice for the Bills here, I have 4 red, 4 blue. And this is the same pattern as the 4th of July. We're in summer here, so we can go ahead and check out some summer colors as well. Or, as autumn approaches, some autumn colors as well there. If you're looking to do a little bit more higher end customization, at the very top right here in the Patterns tab, you'll see Custom. This is where we can create our own combinations. So you'll see here, this is my 4th of July creation. And what we can do is see individual sections we've done. So I can control individual bulbs of the dormer section, as well as individual bulbs of my lower section. This here is done by clicking colors and selecting the individual bulbs here. This is going to be from a more advanced method, but typically the repeating patterns here will do everything you need them to do. When it comes to making a timer, we're going to click timer down here in the bottom right, and then we're going to click timer at the top once more. This is where you can create your own custom timers. So you'll see a few that's already made for this device. What we're going to do is swipe right and delete them out. Create a new timer. We're going to click the plus down here. We're going to click right here where it says pattern. We're going to click right here and select pattern once more. This is where we can go to our favorites and pick what patterns we want to put on our timer. So I'm going to click the top right corner here for Architectural W. We're going to name this Accent. It's going to play every day of the week here. From sunset until our custom time, we're going to select to be midnight. Another timer we're going to make here is clicking lighting color this time. And we're actually going to select warm white. It's going to play every day of the week. We're going to make it turn on at sunset. It's going to use your phone's time to recognize that we're in EDT. We're going to name this timer warm white. Now we have 2 timers. We're going to click the plus again. We're going to go ahead and select pattern. Independence Day here. We'll turn on our Independence Day as a timer from sunset till sunrise. We're going to name this here 4th. Confirm. And there we have our 3rd timer. What we're going to do is turn these 2 off so that only the 4th of July pattern is playing. It's going to be on a timer sequence, which means at sunset it turns on, at sunrise it'll turn off here. One more timer we're going to make here is Christmas. We're going to click the top right here to check that. Save. Turn on at sunset. And the off time. And the off time to 11. We're going to click save in the top right, and we're going to name this Christmas. We'll turn this one off for now. So we can use this on-off button here to turn them on and off, or you can click inside and use this power button here at the top to turn them on and off. To go over how to control the lights, what we're going to do is click right there. We're going to go to timer, then timer again. And what we're going to do is use our presets here to turn them on and off. You're allowed to have up to 6 timers before you have to start deleting old ones out. But to change your effects, that's all you have to do is decide which one you want to turn on for the day, or for the week, or for the month.